In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice or estimate in Zoho Books. If you're new to Zoho Books or just exploring its many features, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process of creating a Proforma invoice with ease. First, you need to navigate to the Sales section in your main menu. Within this section, you'll find various options, but our focus today starts with selecting Estimates. This is your gateway to creating a detailed financial estimate for your client. Once you're in the Estimates area, look for the Plus New button. This little icon is your tool for starting a fresh estimate from scratch. Clicking it will open up a new window where you can begin inputting all the necessary details. The next step is all about your customer. You'll need to fill in their information carefully, ensuring that all the contact details are correct. Alongside the customer details, you must also enter comprehensive descriptions of the items or services you're quoting. This ensures your customer has clarity on what you're providing and any associated costs. After you've meticulously filled in all the fields, you're ready to save or send the estimate. Sending it to your client directly from the portal not only saves time, but also keeps everything organized and easily accessible in Zoho Books. Now, to customize your document further, particularly if you need to label it as a Proforma invoice rather than simply an estimate, head over to the settings in the top right corner. You'll find a customization option there, which is key for modifying your document's appearance. In the customization menu, look for the PDF templates. Once you're there, focus on the quotes section in the templates pane. This area is crucial for tailoring your estimate template to meet your specific needs. If you want to modify an existing template, click Edit on the one you want to adjust. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative or require a completely different layout, you have the option to click Plus New to build a template from the ground up. Within your chosen template, it's essential to navigate to the Document Details section. Here, you input Proforma Invoice into the field labeled Show Document Title. This simple change will ensure your document is correctly labeled every time it's generated. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all your hard work isn't lost and that your template is ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it. We've turned a standard estimate into a Proforma invoice using Zoho Books. This tool is powerful for keeping your financial paperwork organized and professional, customizing it to fit your business needs every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into Zoho Books features to enhance your business operations.